Hello, I'm Gavin Sykes and today we are looking at our close wall bracket for Beosound Theatre. It is suitable for all screen sizes up to 77 inches, has the ability to come forward to allow connections to be made at the rear, and we have some optional extra rails for gypsum mounting. So if you have a stud wall, gypsum wall, dry lined wall, then this bracket can work in those difficult situations. So we're going to assemble it now with theatre, the SMI and a screen and have a look at how it works. So we've assembled an LG 55-inch screen with theatre, and we're using the medium-size SMI, and our bracket is compatible with all three SMI and also the extension kit. We can bring the system forwards to make connections at the rear, and of course this allows us at a later date to add more devices or get to the connections, maybe speakers or a decoder. And also on the back here you can see a decoder mount, and we can mount one decoder on each side. When everything's connected and working, push the system back to the wall. So this is our close wall bracket with a movement function for all screen sizes up to 77 inches.